Yeah, that's amazing. That's so German.
University I taught at last year.
Yes, I figured it out. And so much Russian. I don't know all American schools, you know. I'm like,
Half an hour on each side, it should be all right.
So many schools that I
But you're originally from Ohio?
No, I originally grew up in Illinois, so I'm in
The previous batch of two.
The previous batch of two.
Yeah, but moved to Ohio for this job.
Yes, distributed.
And had some students, but not a lot.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? In France, we don't have any food. We like different food.
I like salads.
You're vegetarian?
No, I don't eat meat, but I like salads, you know, because salads it's art, because you can mix some products and it always.
Yeah.
And I like baking, and I like things from flour from baking. My mom is a baker, she's a cooker, and she works about 50 years in restaurants. And I really love to take traditions of baking from here. Yes, and I always bake some kind of pies, cakes, chocolate cakes. I like it.
I enjoy cooking, but I don't bake. And I think it's kind of a French thing. You, if it's pastry or something like that, or cakes, you go to the pastry shop.
Yeah.
What you at home, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And then would be pies and stuff like that. Pies and something. But you don't go into baking a lot. So that's my excuse for not baking. But I cook. I cook a lot different. I cook duck, I cook everything. Well, it's there's no